welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about another basic concept of physics, which is free fall. So free fall is basically like, imagine dropping a ball from a certain height from like a second story building. So if we ignore the air resistance, the ball will accelerate downwards due to gravity. So the main idea is that all objects fall at the same rate when only gravity acts upon them. And the rate is 9.8 meters per second on Earth. So the formula reads as follows. Height of the drop is equal to half of the acceleration due to gravity, which we already mentioned, that is 9.8 meters per second, times the time in seconds. The first exercise says, if you drop a ball from 4.9 meters high, how long does it take to hit the ground? So we use directly the formula, which is h be equal to times 9.8 times t2. And we know that height is 4.9 meters. If we place this in our calculator, we will get that it is equal to this. And then we pass to the other side to get rid of this t2, and we divide, and it is equal to 1. Now we get this, and it will be equal that the time is equal to 1 second. Second exercise reads, how high can an object fall in 2 seconds? We replace the formula. So h is equal to 1/2 of what we know is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8, times what they tell us is the time, squared. So 2 squared. If we place this in our calculator, we get that it is 19.6 meters. That is how much an object can fall. Our third exercise reads, if an object is dropped from 15 m high, how long will it take to reach the ground? So we take and we substitute in our formula. So equals to 1/2 times 9.8 times squared, because we still don't know what it is. So we first solve this. Half times 9.8, which is 4.9 t2. Now we pass this 4.9 to divide to the other side. That way we can get rid of this times. Now, if we place this in our calculator, it will give us 3.06. So T2 is equal to 3.06. And now we take the square root. so 1.7 seconds. That is how much time it will take for the object to reach the ground. Examples in real life could include, like, for example, in sports, when some players jump or they throw objects. So understanding free fall could help you like predict when the object or the player is gonna fall. Also, when the trees, when the leaves fall off of trees, so the tree will accelerate until it reaches the ground. Also, when you drop a ball of like a balcony, it accelerates downwards until it hits the ground after a certain time. So I hope that um, it will be helpful for you to understand free fall and that you understand how I explained it and that you stay loving physics.